In this lecture, we will discuss addition of Grignard reagent to formate ester. If you remember addition of Grignard reagent to acid chloride and ester, this gives a 3-degree alcohol. So if we have a acid chloride plus Grignard reagent, this is taken in excess, we will have a 3-degree alcohol. Similarly, if I have an ester and if the Grignard reagent is taken in excess, further acidification, this time also we need acidification, this will give 3-degree alcohol. Grignard reagent is taken in excess. We can have a special kind of ester in which this R group becomes hydrogen. This special ester is called Formate ester. So this special ester is Formate ester. Let us say we have ethyl formate, a special ester of formate OET. So this is ethyl formate. So this is a kind of formate ester. If formate ester is treated with Grignard reagent, Grignard reagent is taken in excess, further acidification gives 2-degree alcohol. So if you see, the formate ester differs from other esters. Other esters gives 3-degree alcohol, but formate ester gives 2-degree alcohol. Let us see the mechanism for this reaction. This is easy to see. This is a Grignard reagent, will provide a nucleophile R-, so R- is coming from Grignard reagent. This will attack on this carbon, this will open, we will have HCO- ROET. Now this negative charge will pushes this OET-, so OET- will act as a good leaving group in the next step. So OR or OET will be basically removed by this negative charge. So up to this point we have a substitution reaction. So we have removed OET and added R. So this step is up to this step is a substitution. If you see, this is an aldehyde. Aldehyde can further react with another mole of Grignard reagent. R-, R- is coming from Grignard reagent, so this will attack again on this carbon. This opens up, so we will have HCO-. Now if I acidify this compound, now this is a 2-degree alcohol. Now if you see, this has 2 identical alkyl group. So we have 2 identical alkyl group. Now this method can be used for preparation of compound. If I see 2 alkyl groups are same and secondary alcohol, this method can be used. So 2 same alkyl group, and secondary alcohol, that is 2-degree alcohol. For example, let us say we have some preparation. If I want to prepare this compound, if I want to prepare this compound, we can use this method. Now this time I have to take Grignard reagent of this, because these two groups are identical. And we can take an ethyl formate ester, so we can take this one, HCOOET, and if I take Grignard reagent of this, that is CH2 double bond CH, CH2 MgBr, we have to take this in excess, at least 2 equivalent, because 2 equivalent had added, and further acidification will give this desired product, that is 1. Now let us take another example. This we have 3-pentanol. So 3-pentanol, we have 5 carbon, and carbon number 3 contains one OH group. This is equivalent to CH2CH3, CH3CH2, CCH2CH3, H, OH. Now see, this is a secondary alcohol and it contains 2 alkyl groups are same. So this alkyl group and this alkyl group are same. So we can use this method, that is I can take Grignard reagent plus ethyl formate. So I have ethyl formate plus Grignard reagent, or we will have CH3CH2 MgBr, and this we have to take in excess because we have to add 2 moles. Then further acidification will give product 2, that is this product CH3CH2, CH3CH2 COHH. So we'll get this desired product. Now let us try next one. We have to prepare diphenyl methanol. So we have diphenyl methanol. So this is pH, this is pH, this is H. Once again, this is a 2-degree alcohol containing 2 alkyl groups are same. So this alkyl group and this alkyl group are same. 2 alkyl groups are same. So we can use the method of ethyl formate. We can take this HCOOET, and Grignard reagent we can use pH MgBr. We have to take Grignard reagent in excess, and further if I do acidification, we will have product this one. So you see, in this lecture what we discussed, if I have ethyl formate ester, so this ester, and if this ester is treated with excess of Grignard reagent, it will give 2-degree alcohol, and this alcohol will have 2 alkyl groups are same, and this idea can be used to prepare different kind of 2-degree alcohols that has 2 identical R groups. So we have this compound, we can see there are 2 alkyl groups are same. In this case also 2 alkyl groups are same. In this case also there are 2 alkyl groups are same. And we always have a 2-degree alcohol.